we have to understand that there are new conditions, if you will, under which we're going to have to carry on. Vaccines might not be available to the next 18 months for a context like ours. So school has to open. We have to take the necessary precautions. We have to look at the hand washing technique, even if that gives you an opportunity maybe for the children to learn to wash their hands, learn to be disciplined in terms of wearing a face shield, a mask, whatever it is that we are going to do, the physical/social distancing, those things, the school might give you the opportunity then to ensure that we become, if we are not a disciplined society, to make sure that those things are carried through on a daily basis. So I think it's an opportunity. We did indicate to Ministry of Education that one of the key potential situations is that maybe schools should reopen sooner, because we still think at the Ministry of Health that you're going to have a potential second wave once you have exposure to outside, but also understanding that the flu season routinely happens towards the end of the year. And remember, if you have flu going around and COVID-19 going around, you won't be able to perhaps make a differentiation if you have a vast amount of cases. So in terms of those students from across the borders who attend classes here, what is your advice to our Ministry of Education in how we treat those students when school reopens? I don't know what Ministry of Education has decided in terms of that, but I don't see that it would be any different from any persons coming from Guatemala. I mean, from now until school opens, that's 7 weeks, things could change. But if you ask me right now, it doesn't seem that there will be a condition for the people who come from across the border to come into Belize on a daily basis and go back out. And sometimes I know in Benque, I think they actually go back for lunch and come back in the afternoon session. So that's an increased risk. So for right now, it doesn't seem that is something that can be worked out. If that's being considered, we have to find a mechanism of how that will happen.